Hey guys, well, this is my collection video, as you've been requesting. Got some good figures in here, Bandai Creation, the ornaments, clock, more Bandai Creation. Over here we have regular Bandai. Well, not that they're Bandai Japan, but whatever. So yeah, if you see anything you want me to review, let me know and I'll do that as soon as I can. There is more. There's those two. I probably won't review those though. Trendmasters. And more Bandai. And so, that's it. That's the collection. Again, if there's anything you want to see, just leave it in the comments or send me a message if you want. Doesn't matter. So, till next time. See you later.